Worked till I froze and my face turned grey, and all of my fingers calloused and worn to the bone. And I felt like a child in a world full of men, trying to capture that something again. Strong as an ox but slowly turning to stone. Walking away from this room dark and grey, smoke hangs in clouds and the old echo plays, and the music is soft and the voice is hushed, and the boy he has loved and the man he has lost. Out in the rain.